I have added different templates for 2018 and 2019 and the above versions. You can use the 2018 version template in 2019, 2020, or above version, but you won't be able to change the font. Montserrat font is required for this template. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Go to Windows, open Essential Graphics panel. Click on this icon to install Motion Graphics template. Here you can see, I have installed both version templates. Let's place both templates on the timeline. Here you can see in the 2019 Plus version, font changing feature is available, but in the 2018 version, font changing feature isn't available. I am deleting the 2018 version template. Here you can add your user ID. Here you can change the font, text size, and faux style. You can change text position and scale from here. Here you can change text shape's color. I have included 19 social media platforms. Let's suppose, if you wanted to use blog, hide Instagram and enable blog. Change the color of text and shape according to logo color. It's that simple. You must hide the logo which you don't want, otherwise, it won't work properly. This template has only an animation. To make out animation, select Template. Press Alt and drag to make a copy of it. Right-click on the template. Go to Speed Duration, then select Reverse Speed. That's it. Thanks for watching.